Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We're just taking a quick look at Vechain here. And as we can see, along with the wider market, we're actually having a very nice parabolic move to the upside, aren't we? For a lot of cryptos. Bitcoin has actually come and smashed back inside of that previous range that it was in. And we can see that it's dragged the whole market along with it. You can see obviously we got stopped out here on our previous short position for Vechain. We were obviously expecting with this continuous downtrend like this, once we came back into that previous resistance here, that we'd get a rejection and continuation to the downside. But with Bitcoin having such a nice rally to the upside and really just getting a continuation of this real parabolic kind of move that we are seeing for the whole crypto space over the past few weeks, I think it's mostly Bitcoin and then dragging the altcoins to the upside. You can see we finally come back up and retested that level that we did say would need to be retested for Vechain, which is this level up here at around that 2.15 cent level. This previous support here has finally come up and been retested as resistance fully ever since we got this breakdown. We got a back test here, but we never came back and retested it again before continuation, did we? And now we've finally come back up after breaking out of some key levels of resistance here. As you can see, all these yellow lines are key levels of resistance, this local resistance here, and also there's this massive bear market resistance also been broken. We've come back up, retested this level here at the top, at the bottom of that previous range as resistance, and we did, as we said before in our previous videos, we would be putting a short position in here if we did see ourselves coming and testing this level. As you can see, we basically put our short position to get triggered in this area here, and now it is in a small amount of profit right now after, you know, basically coming up, touching this level and getting a rejection. You can see on the hourly time frame we came into this level and got a very strong rejection, obviously that being a previous key level back here, previous level of support flipped into resistance, and you'd probably expect a bit of a retracement here for Vechain, at least coming back down to some of these levels. I'd say down here just below that 2 cent level, probably at 1.9 cent level here. You can see the structure here that probably will be retested like this, and then I'd probably consider closing my short position in this area if we do see continuation of the bullish trend in the market. So really we've just had quite a parabolic move here, haven't we? I think a lot of shorts have been wrecked over the past week or so, and I don't think it's really hard to predict what's going to happen next, really, isn't it? Because you could equally just, you know, say that this is a bit of an anomaly, come back up, you know, some shorts get liquidated, but then you just get the continuation of the downtrend, or you come back up here, maybe you back test some of these levels here and get a continuation and a reverse in the market. So it's really hard to tell at this point, but our bias would still be potentially bearish, I would say, over the immediate short term. Obviously this parabolic move here has been very nice to see, but I would say, you know, we are still in a downtrend here overall, making lower lows. We have come up and made a higher high here, but we could equally just come down and make another lower low. So I'm not getting too ahead of myself here, because we can see overall the trend is still heading to the downside. But if we do start to see a back test of some key levels and then higher highs and higher lows like this, then I would consider, you know, my bias to flip bullish. But mid to long term, I'm still super bullish on Vechain. I think it's going to do very well. But obviously in the short term, this could just be a back test of a level that hasn't been tested before, you know, a continuation of the downtrend. So that would be our analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.